Hello YouTube! So here are my two coupon link chains. They are both a little bit dirty and there is spots that I want to fix. And that's what this video will be about. So this one is a flat coupon link chain. I have a video where I am making this, and this one here is Miami version, meaning it's rounded on the top and not flat like this one. But yeah, both of these need a little bit fixing and cleaning up, so that's what I am doing in this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Let's get on with this. So let's see if they are ready and shiny. Okay, here we are. Both curb chains fixed and polished. These turned out pretty good. Of course, neither of these are perfect to beginning with. For example, this flat version is one of the. It's actually, I think, the first chain I finished. So it shows that I didn't quite know what I was doing. But I think it looks good again. Now this Miami version, here is the jump ring I fixed. It's not still perfect. There is a small dent there still, but it's much better than what it was. And yeah, the color is again nice and shiny. But that's that. This video ends here. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe. If you did like the video, please press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. And yeah, see you in next one.